the bench, cold steel on the wire, a ghost in the circuit, soft neon fire. Wait for the click, the logic is clear. Everything's perfect now that you're here. Blink and build, the signal is green. Blink and build, deep in the screen. Pulse of the future, now it's alive. Blink and build, watch it arrive. Tiny footprints in tin, wait for the spark to begin. Unboxing the future, letting the data flow in. 100 small pieces, finding their place. Moving at light speed through digital space.